Hello, guys. Welcome back, and hopefully you guys have a nice break so far. And then we're gonna keep going with chapter 6. And today we're gonna keep going to the circular function, and I'm gonna try to talk about some special angles. So we learned the unit circle in year 11. So hopefully you guys still remember. We had a quarter 1 to 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. In quadrant A, that means like, well, we're gonna touch on base later on this one, but here is like from 0 degree to 90 degree, and 90 degree to 180 degree, and 180 to 270 degree, and then back to the 360 degree. Okay, so that means the circle. And hopefully you guys remember pi on 2 means 90 degrees. And pi equal to 180 degrees, so that's pretty important. And 3 pi on 2, that means 270 degrees. And 2 pi means 360 degrees. So that's why it's a radius a difference and these angles. So 1 radius, that means 180 divided by pi. And 1 degree means like pi over 180. So if I say some question like, if I say 30 degrees to radius, so how we do that? That equal to 30 multiplied by pi on 180. So that equal to pi on 6. So if you say pi on 6, that means 30 degrees. Okay, so just be aware these all little angles and radius means. So if I say 5 pi on 6 are equal to something that equal to some degrees, so equal 5 pi on 6 times 180 and over pi. So now we do pi and pi cancel out. So now we do is just simplify that. 5 on 6 times 180. So that equal to 150 degrees. Yeah. 7 pi on 6 a similar way to do it, and now we can try to do 120 to radius. That equal to 120 times 180 over pi. So that equal to sorry. Start again. Pi on 180. Sometimes I make a mistake. That's not good enough. And we do the simplify. So that equal to that equal to 2. Okay, and 60 equals 3. So that equals 2 pi on 3. Yep. So and so on. And now I want to introduce you guys a very important things, which is called the tables. So here is the table. I want you guys to make that into your band reference, and please copy that one down. Okay. So here is the table I want to show you. First thing first, we create a theta and sine, cosine, and tangent. Okay, so do that. Sorry, give me a minute. Sine and cosine and tangent. So sine theta, cosine theta, and tan theta. So that's a theta. And then what we do 0 degrees first. So if we say 0 degree and radius, that means sine is 0, cosine is 1, and tangent is 0. Next one we do 30 degrees, which is pi on 6. So once we have half for the sine, and cosine will be root 3 on 2, and tan will be 1 on root 3. Okay, so I want you guys to remember this. And now we go pi on 4, so which is 45 degrees, and this one is 1 on root 2, 1 on root 2, and 1. And next one we want to go with pi on 3, so which is 60 degrees. This one root 3 on 2, and this one is half, and this one is root 3. Okay, and we keep going, and next one is pi on 2. So this one is 1, and this one is 0. So this one is undefined because sine over cosine is means. So you can't have that on the bottom. So which is undefined. Yeah. Hopefully this one can help you guys, and please make sure you guys copy that one in your bound reference. Okay, that's the 6a, pretty important for you guys, and then we're gonna go to 6b next time. Okay, so define the circle functions.